Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reactivate disabled or deactivated Instagram account. To get started, you want to go ahead and click the link in the description and join me on this website. Alright, so for a number of reasons, your account may have been disabled or deactivated and you have been looking for a solution. This is a form you can use to get this problem resolved. I have helped many other people with this same method. So all you need to do is to fill in your details right here. So I'm gonna just say John. So this is your full name. You want to make sure you enter your full name, okay? The full name that is on your account. That's why it is very good that when you're opening your Instagram account, you write your details somewhere in your jotter so that you can always refer back to them. So you want to enter the email address listed on your Instagram account, okay? And once you've done that, as you can see, for example, if the link to your Instagram account is instagram.com/username, please enter username. Okay, so you want to go ahead and enter your Instagram username here and you want to follow the instructions here. Let's say Lodge is my Instagram username, and then you want to enter the phone number attached to your account. Okay, so once you're done, this is the best part. You want to make sure you write something meaningful, okay? Because it is said, please let us know why you are appealing the decision to permanently deactivate this account. So you want to look for something very important to say, something meaningful. You can just say that I lost my phone and I have been trying to log into my account without success. I don't know if the person that stole my phone did anything fishy with my account. Okay, so you just want to write a story that make them sympathize with you. You understand, something like you lost your phone, or something like you were trying to enter a bus and somebody had picked the phone off of your pocket, kind of a thing. You want to tell them a story that will draw empathy towards you. All right, so once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on send. All right, and they're gonna get back to you with your account activated. Guys, this is how to reactivate a disabled or deactivated account on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.